Project cars can be fun.
But my car just failed inspection because of rust, meaning I can't drive the car on the road now. I could have paid the shop to fix it, but instead I'm going to try it myself with a cheap welder.
I welded it on.
Can I make this car road legal again all by myself and save hundreds of bucks by doing it?
Fire!
How we got here.
So I dropped off my keys for the inspection and I got bad news.
Well, this rack has not been approved for APK.
Meaning that it's not road legal anymore. Problem being rust in this area under the car.
So how bad is it? With the screwdriver we check which parts are rotten.
Oh, this is a big hole. Ah.
The solution?
I'll be welding it with this. Ooh, with the cheapest welder from Parkside.
And it's really small.
Flux core, think good for beginners.
No. And we'll be testing it against a secret challenger.
So can I fix all of this myself?
No, I don't think so.
Only one way to find out, right? Come on, let's do it.
Welder, grinder, sander, zinc spray, anti-rust, sealer, and wax. Let's go!
Time to start cutting this. Let's see how far the rust extends. And start with this one, not the big one. So we get a little bit of experience, I guess. Ooh!
First, we start with the grinder. With the grinder, we're going to cut out pieces of the bodywork until there's no more rust to be found. So how much do we have to cut? I don't know.
Look at all this stuff. Ooh, on the inside, that's not looking good. I have to make sure that there is not more.
Now it's time for the belt sander. We sand it until we see the bare metal, until there's no more rust left. Then we add a rust converter, this one's not that great. Add some zinc spray to protect the metal, I think, maybe, perhaps, not sure. So now that we've cut this piece out, we need to make a new piece, and we'll measure it with this little trick. Then using the grinder to cut out a new piece of metal.
Very big.
Continue another day. Storage.
No.
On to day 2. Yes, the day has come.
Time to weld.
Fire it up.
Gotta set it to the lowest setting like this. This should work. Okay, so I'm going to weld this new piece in.
Without my help.
Without Ka's help. I've not been really good at welding. I always needed Ka's help. Maybe this time it's going better? I actually don't know. Okay.
The moment of truth. This can go very right or very wrong.
Oh, so professional.
Oh. Longer, I think.
Longer. Short. Yeah.
One more, I think. But it's not, now it's like...
Not stock.
Ah. Can you even see the tip with this thing on?
No, just do it, man.
Can I actually make this panel stick?
It sounded okay.
Oh.
I think it works. Not pretty.
Hammering the panel into shape, adding some more welds, and it seems to be sticking now.
Oh.
Getting better.
Getting better. Ah, this one is nice.
No,
Bijna, bijna.
it's burning through.
Ja. Is te kort. Nice, not bad.
The car is finally getting the love it deserves because we go way back. This is me, 15 years ago, working on the car. But I always knew that this car had a past. There were different colored panels everywhere.
You should know the current state and the history of the car.
So I haven't even checked my own car. Let's do that. Damage? Huh? It says damage on this car.
You had it for 15 years.
Yeah. Here you can see in the car vertical report it had damage in 1999. Collision. 5,000 euro damage to 10,000.
Damn!
It makes sense now.
If you don't want this to happen to you,
If you're looking for a project car, like this M3, you can use Car Vertical to check the damages. Whoa, that's a lot of damage. You can check if the car has been stolen, and you can also check the mileage history.
So if you want to check your car or any project car, use code Kaizen to get 20% discount. Damage on my car.
okay, back to the welding. So after doing a few welds, I'm slowly getting the hang of it.
You need to get used to the timing, I think.
Fast forward, some sanding, and
Hey, so we welded it on.
You welded it on.
I welded it on.
Oh, shit.
And actually, like when progressing and with tips from Ka, it went better and better and better. Is it looking pretty? The hell no.
Yeah, I did this part.
Yeah, so Ka did this part. He couldn't help himself.
Resist.
He couldn't resist to help. I did the rest. Well, you can see I burned through some of the metal up here and some holes here. But I think for under the car, this is fine. This is also like putting something on top is stronger than trying to put something inside. So
hollow section wax.
Section wax.
rust prevention.
So this is something that you spray on the inside.
Oh, yeah.
Put this in and then spray, pull, and then the whole inside will be covered with wax.
So this should prevent the rust from coming
You
back.
can see if it comes out of these holes.
Just do this.
Oi!
Oh, pff,
Is that how much we need to put in there? Or?
I have no idea.
I don't know either. One is sealed. Add some stuff on top.
The seam sealer. First we need to clean it up.
There. See, it's hard. Hey.
Then it's easier.
Yeah, it still works. Put plenty of it. Better too much. Greases. Extra.
So we make sure we close all the holes so no moisture can come in. And don't fall down.
I do have to say, the Parkside Welder, I mean, it did really well. And I did weld. It's in, it's stuck. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. It's really easy to use.
Also for a noob.
But we also have something else. Something new.
Which we'll be showing later. Because we underestimated how bad
This side,
it is.
it actually looked a lot worse than the other side.
Much worse, but we just don't know it yet.
We're gonna check how bad it is. Can we stick a screwdriver through this? Oh, okay. Let's do this.
We're using a wire wheel to expose the metal and see how far the rust extends. Then I just start cutting and hope it's not much worse than the other side.
So the inside, that's not looking good. Oh my god.
But it seems we have to cut more. Much more. More than we want.
We cut out this whole section because the inside is rusted. All the stuff that came out.
We removed the surface rust on the inside, but we got a new tool to look before we cut.
So to check the inside we have bought this. So we can put this in. So it works. Yeah?
A tiny camera.
I hope it's not too bad.
And the investigation starts.
What's this? Oh! This doesn't look very promising. Okay, let's clean this out first.
Yes, with a vacuum. All this loose rusted metal. This is really not a good sign.
Maybe just get the skirt off. So I removed the side skirts and
Surprise!
you can see that there's still like rusty spots up here. Honestly, I don't want to do it, but I mean, we have to. This is not looking good. So we have to see what's under here on this side. I mean, we already painted this, but this was not properly painted in the first place. So yeah, because this is an issue.
Time to cut it, and hopefully it's only a small part.
Cut out a lot. You can see all this is gone.
Clean up.
To finish it off, so I cleaned it up with the wire brush completely, like, so most of the rust is gone. Not completely, this is not a full restoration, but I'm going to use this anti-rust primer,
The good stuff.
which we got from Nick.
This is Nick that sells us the
He
paint.
uses this too, he recommends this. There's still a little bit of rust, but with the deruster, hopefully that stops it.
Yes, adding a lot of nice deruster, holding my breath because, well, I don't know.
Better to spray too much than not enough.
Or not. So with the inside of the car red now, we cut the panel.
So I want to do it like
This is
this.
for under the car and this is for the side.
I still have to cut more, I think, from this. I still have to cut more, like this. No, I did a car.
It's too short.
Oh,
Why is it so short?
yeah. That was not supposed to be this short.
You didn't measure it?
I measured approximately and then thought this would be enough. I cleaned up also the edges like this.
Adding another layer of zinc spray because, well, why not? So I'm making a 90-degree corner on this one.
Make this.
So looking at the bright side, this piece of metal is a lot of exercise. We're still using the Parkside Welder before we move on to our new one. But then,
Smoke coming from the interior. I had to quickly check what it was. It is because, you see that hole there? Because we're welding on the underside of the car and we're getting inside the interior. So I have to take everything out. Now I can access these bolts out. Oh.
while welding this piece, I'm slowly getting better and faster with this welding machine. But we had to stop.
It's another day and we had to stop last time because we ran out of welding wire. Yeah, it happened. So today we're going to continue with the rest of the car, but someone is using the lift, so we're just gonna do it here.
So I'm going to handcraft the outer panel for the
Okay,
sail.
so since this repair panel is not completely round, and this is,
And with my limited skill and a hammer, I'll try to make it fit. Will this look good?
Deca Power! And I'm going to try it out as a noob, so I don't have a lot of experience with this. I bought this cheap Temu welding wire. Let's see if that works really well.
So how will the Deca Power perform against the cheapest Parkside Welder?
So we've done this.
You've done this.
I've done this.
Not
Okay,
the best
so
work.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
okay,
Best
so
work.
yes, this is the best work I can do. I'm not a pro, so to watch us fail.
Learn.
Yeah, welding this on, then I will cut out what I need.
Good.
Well, hopefully that works.
Good luck.
This is with the new welder. And how will it do?
Good. Good.
Stuck.
But when we thought we could just start testing, everything caught fire.
Carport is on fire.
We're supposed to watch this.
Brand! Fire!
What is this?
Why is that on fire?
What is that? Wait.
So someone put the barbecue on and basically just left. Then at some point we saw this.
What the? Zo, heel op uit.
Oh my god. It's like burning on the inside or something.
How is that suddenly on fire?
Although this turned out to be fine, it could have been much worse. After having saved the day, back to work.
How is it going here?
Not too much.
Again.
Good job, good job.
Good job.
Since this is not under the car, this has to look nice. So I can't cut too much.
Okay, so I cut it, and of course I cut a little bit too much.
DIY.
Again! And it's sweating, it's warm. But okay, I cut it, now it's time to weld. And hopefully I can bridge the gap. And then I also have one welding thing go in my shoe. It hurts. Nice welding.
Real life sucks.
Deca Power.
When using this welding machine, I can already feel and even hear a difference. But even then, you can still make mistakes. So I had to grind this one off because it was sticking out too much and then weld it on again. And it happened again and again. But the more I weld, the more I get the feel of it. The more I get the feel of it, the more confidence I get welding. And with that, things go faster and smoother. And even the big gaps, because of my mistakes, I close them through welding. Something that I wouldn't have thought I could do. And I'm actually slowly starting to really enjoy this part. It becomes so satisfying to lay a really nice bead, seeing the result of the car slowly getting together, and hopefully road legal soon. And even though it's not perfect, I still have to grind and, well, fix some of my mistakes, like cutting too much. Car can't even resist to help out without protection, but yeah.
He just wanted to do
It's
it.
a nice machine.
Yeah, it's a nice machine. So he wants to weld. It's nice to weld with a nice machine. So we grinded it down. There's some holes that we fixed. I finally feel like I'm able to weld sort of decently. Still doesn't look good, but
Is it the machine or is it?
is it the machine? I don't know. Maybe.
Did you
both.
learn? Fix, fail, learn, right?
Yeah, I think it's both. The machine, this machine, it's way more consistent than the other one. I think that's the big difference.
Now it's on to the final steps of making this car ready for the new inspection.
So with this, we have the car a step closer to finished. It was something that we should have done earlier, but obviously we had a lot of things to do. Now it's time to do it, so I now fixed it.
But the very last thing is putting back the seat. Without the seat, I can't even pass the inspection.
In.
It's time.
So, but having done all this work now on the car, the main thing that I take from this is that I learned so much. I learned to weld better. I actually enjoy welding more than in the beginning. Beginning it felt like a big task to do, and now I actually enjoy welding, to be honest, because I feel like I can do it. So the thing is to just go out there and do it. I like it. But let's see if all of this was good enough. I'm bringing the car away again to get it checked, and hopefully we get it back and we can drive the car again on the road.
And the verdict on the welding machine?
Okay, so this Deca Power one, I have to say it welds a lot better. But also at the price point it's more expensive.
But it also has a lot more features than just flux core welding.
So you have MIG, electrodes, you can cut and take weld.
So the question is, when you're doing a lot of welding, then the Deca Power one is really nice. If you're not doing so much welding, then I think the Parkside is a really good solution. The only biggest issue I think I had was with the gun. The Deca Power one was really consistent in the feeding, but it has like double rollers as well compared to the Parkside. There was like a little bit more inconsistent. You can weld with it, maybe just not as nice.
So let us know in the comments what you think, Deca Power or Parkside. Now for the inspection.
Well, this rack is being approved for APK.
So with this, the car is road legal again, and it made the check. They still had to do a couple of things to make it road legal, which I forgot. So my battery was actually loose, but it's tightened up now. So with this, I can drive the car again.
But still need to do the bodywork and the paint. But it's also
Time for new upgrades. Let's go. plugged in the old ECU